everyone, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Maria, and today I'm going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet. I don't know if it's something that drives you crazy, but it's been driving me crazy for a few years, and I finally figured out how to do it, and I needed to share this tip with you. And I also figured out a way how to keep the bedding together with my own little twist to it. So, welcome again. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, please do so. Click on the like button and the notification bell. So here we go. This is how you fold a fitted sheet. Here's one that I've done already, and I'm going to demonstrate on this round sheet. Let's put this aside. So what you want to do is find every corner. So let's start here. Here's the one corner. I'm going to do it inside out. Corner number 1. Corner number 2. I'm going to join these corners together. So as you can see, it's inside out. I'm going to flip it. Now it's the right side. So you get all that aligned. And then you move along. Now don't let this go. Hang on to it, then move along to the other corner. You make sure you want to do the same side first as you did on the first corner, and then you go to the last corner. There we go. So I have the 2 corners on the right and 2 corners on the left. So now I'm going to lay this down. Okay, so I laid it down, and now I'm going to straighten it out. So there's the one corner, and I'm going to fold this in and tuck it in, just like you're wrapping a present. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Tuck it in. It over. So hopefully you can see that. Make sure it's nice and square. Move this down. So now it's nice and square. So here's a bit of a close-up. So what I did was I had all the corners, that one corner done, as well as the other one. And I grabbed this, brought this one in, folded it in, and brought it back down. And I kind of tucked it the same way you would do when you're wrapping the corner of a gift. And you straighten it all out. Sorry, this is a bit wrinkly, this sheet. But you want it to be nice and square. That is the tip. And after this, it's easy. So there you go. There's your fitted sheet. Actually nice and rectangular because it's not square, but you know what I mean. Nice even sides. And then you start folding in. So because this side already has a double fold, I'm going to fold this part in here to meet that side. And adjust it. Tuck it in here. Make sure it's nice and square. Well, rectangle. There. And then I'm going to fold it on top of each other once more. Even it out. Bring it in, bring it in again, and then bring it in once more. And there you have it, your fitted sheet. And the next tip I have is, I already have folded this ahead of time, so Here's the other pillowcase and the other sheet. I'm going to put it on top of this one. Actually, it's good if you have them even to each other. Which this one I didn't really follow as much, but let me adjust it. Now they're all even. Because what I'm going to do now is take the other pillowcase and I'm going to tuck everything inside this pillowcase. So then you don't lose anything and everything stays together. And I try to make it even to the size of the width of the pillow, because then everything fits in there perfectly. You don't want it too big, you don't want it too small. It's like tucking a pillow in there. And then I fold it over, like so. And you have this loose, you can leave it like this, but this loose flap, what I do is I tuck it in, tuck this in like this, like you're gonna do the same thing you do for socks. So it stays together. And there you go. Your fitted sheet and all your sheets are together. The pillowcases are in there. One of the pillowcases is keeping it together. There's the two that I done. And it goes perfectly in your linen closet. Ready for a clean bed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Again, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button below and the notification bell. Until our next video, I'm Maria. Ciao for now.